Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make this delicious potato gratin. The first thing we're gonna do is peel the potatoes. Then wash them and thinly slice them. Now add some salt, a little bit of oil, mix well and set aside. For the cheese sauce we're gonna need half a cup of cashews, a cup of water, and some nutritional yeast and spices. The list with all the ingredients will be in the description box below. Mix until it's creamy and smooth. Now chop the leek, the broccoli and the mushrooms. Put everything together in a baking dish. It will look like it is too much, but it will reduce in the oven, so just go with it. Add the cheese sauce, making sure it's evenly distributed. Now we're gonna bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes, checking from time to time. Once the potatoes inside are cooked, we're ready to serve. And here it is. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye bye!